Okay, so we've got 4 items in our array now, and we can change this from 4 to 400 to 4000, whatever, later on. But I've pulled in some of that dummy data. So we've got a set of first names, surnames, location of skills. And what we'd really like to do is to pick one of the first names at random from an array of items. So instead of just saying first names 0 and have the same first names every time, we want to pick one of the items. So let's create a function which will do that. So let's just say pickRandom. Call that our function, and we'll pass it in an array of items. So let's call it items, and what this will do is it will pick one of those items and return it to us. And a way we can do that is we'll get into the array. An array has a length property, which will give us the number of items in the array. And we can use that with math.random, which will give us a number between 0 and 1. And so if we multiply that with the number of items, we'll get another number somewhere along the scale of 0 to the number of items in the array. And so what we also then will need to do, because we can't ask for item 2.5 from the array, is that we'll round down all the time, and we'll end up with an integer between 0 and a number before the length of the array. So when we get there, we can pass in first names, pickRandom first names. So we should end up with a set of randomized first names in our musician data. So let's just clear the terminal and run.